Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a short and how you can create a short at the portrait video on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website and we have to create our account. So as you can see, I've already opened the video. Now you have to choose that which type of short you want to create, like the trending or the explainer or the education. These all types of shorts are provided here. You can create a video in the portrait mode. So as you can see now the video is open here. For example, I want to create this one, so we have to click on this and we need to open this template. So as you can see, has the option for the use this template, edit as my template. So for example, I want to use this template. Let's click on the use this template and we have to use this. Let's click on it. So as you can see, after clicking on the use this template, here's the option. Now you can edit this. For example, if you want to edit your text, for example, I want to write here, hello, how are you? You can write whatever you want. As you can see now that you can edit this picture as well. So you can edit this picture as well. As you can see, these all options are provided here. You can edit each and everything. If you want to edit the voiceover, these all options are provided here. You can add the scene too. For example, this is, as you can see, these all information is added here. If you want to add a new one, you can also add that. So in this way, you can use the template. After doing these all changings, all things, you have to click on the generate, and after clicking on the generate, it will export your video. So in this way you can create your short or the portrait video on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.